Okay, so in this video, I just want to talk about Reflector. So what Reflector is it basically just checks your mirrors and your best mirrors of your specific country, updates them and checks for the fastest one. So it basically runs in the background. It's got a timer where it regularly updates your mirror list and checks for the fastest. So this improves your download speed tremendously. I think it's something that you just have to install on a new Arch or any distro. Yeah, let's just open a browser. Let's check my notes. Right, so Reflector it is. So very basic stuff. It's you install it and then you edit the configuration file. So basically just say install it by saying sudo pacman -s reflector or yay, which I'm doing here now. Right, so let's just install it quickly. Okay, yes. So it's pretty much already installed on my system. Right, so then you can actually run this command to actually check your country, updates the mirror list immediately and sort it. But you can skip this and just restart your system and it will do it anyway, but you can do it immediately like that with that command. Right, so to edit the reflector conf file, you just have to open it, copy. Right, so it's in its xdg reflector.conf. That's the path. We'll open a default configuration file of Reflector. Right, and then you just check if most of the stuff should be in there. You don't have to change anything, like protocol obviously, and then obviously you have to enter your country. That will be commented out. So just take the hashtag away and then put your country in. So I'm South Africa, and then they usually suggest keep Germany there because it's like a hub of activity there. Everything comes together there. What am I doing? So South Africa, right, and Germany, and then latest 5. I'll just change this to 15. So what it does here is use only the most recently synchronized mirrors, and it looks back at 15 of them or 20 or whatever. So the latest updated mirrors. Then sort the mirrors by synchronization time. So the fastest one first. Fastest ones first. So okay, we should change this. Let me just check my notes quickly. So sort rate. So sort age, you want to change that to sort rate. It will actually put the fastest ones first. The age, I think, I can't remember what the age is now, but it's definitely not putting the fastest ones first in age. Right, and then what else is there? Oh yeah, the timer. So the timer actually runs in the background and it checks and updates your mirror list regularly. So we want that one. Copy. Right, let me just save this configuration file. Exit, and then all right, so this is the timer. So sudo systemctl enable now, meaning it's going to check it now. Reflector.timer. So when your system starts, this will start. That's basically what systemctl does. Right, and then yeah, then you basically just update your system. So you can say yay dash syu or just yay. Update your system, and yeah, look at your fastest mirrors now. put them in a list and put the fastest ones first, but it checks it regularly. So if there's one that's falling behind, it will actually move that down lower. Okay, looks like it wants to update something. Right, so that's basically a reflector. Very good to have. Just pop it on there on Arch and, you know, forget about it. So yeah, that's a quick video. So like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, leave me a comment. Good.